Let's get into it. So I went from 2 million US dollars right into financially challenged being, let's say. We used to play this game called Roblox. Let's get straight into it and be as fair as possible. Buying these Roblox gift card, we was buying loads of limited, Sparklet Time Fedora, Ice Crown, Orange Sparklet Time Fedora, like these faces that cost like crazy though. Like today's value even then, one of these hats would be like 25k. We had hundreds of these hats stored in different accounts, had many Robux coming in from our groups and games we was developing and making tons of dough from it. And clothing too. He was photoshopping, making the best clothing designs for people that it was just viral. Like people be wearing it every game. That was making me money to the point where I was almost on a path of legitly cashing out my Robux on the game development program, where you can take money out through basically having a certain amount of requirements. So what I ended up doing, I headed up onto the dark web, let's call quotation marks, of Roblox, where I could sell my stuff, I could list my items, wake up next morning, thousands of US dollars worth of items sold. And yeah, so that's where it happened. But for me, how I went wrong, I was this under 18, so the money was going into PayPal on different identities where it would just block hold the money. Maybe out of 10, four of those accounts would come through. I'll take the money. I was able to buy food, games, start my YouTube, buy clothes, go out, like take my friends out. I could have relationships and build those because of the money that was coming in. Until one day we did a crazy hack, brute forcing. The brute forcing is where I started messing up because when I went down that side, I was meeting tons of hackers daily, 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 daily. And one of these hackers, we must have got into a program and we ended up compromising a big moderator's account. I was on the receiving end where my friends would send me the items and I'll sell and I'll sell, I'll sell. And that's what it was. That's how my account, where I built it to about 100k USD, legit went from about a mil USD through selling clothing, building games. Then it went up to about 10,000 US dollars a month through selling these items. And then we hit a big, big compromise on some account. It took me to about a total of about 2 million US dollars. Crazy. All of that got beamed. It got sent out the window because when you don't fly straight in life, that is going to take you down. You know what I'm saying? So this here, it was like my inner child. I was making YouTube videos touching 50,000 views, 100,000 views, hundreds of subscribers, and I was very known in the community. And if you lot did play this game back in like 2013, going until now, even drop your names. I probably know you. You probably know me. That's what be funny as well. So that is the story of how I went to financially challenged. Basically, not investing anything, none of the money. Like I was seeing Bitcoin when it was like 12k. These times I didn't know anything about it. Ethereum when it was $200. Didn't know anything about it. This was 7 years ago. So when you guys are paying for my ebook, which is here, you can see it in the description below and buy it. You're seeing from 7 years of experience learning the market, the blockchain, and everything is all here. This is why you can just pay me and learn straight away, because I've got that, let's say, wisdom on this general topic of crypto and investing, how to get rich. Now I want to invite you guys on my journey of touching tens of millions of US dollars on this YouTube channel together. Tap in on my Instagram below, my Twitter down below, and you can see how we're going to be making these tens, hundreds of millions of US dollars in the future. And it's my pleasure to invite you on this journey and help you guys push towards these goals with me and hit these objectives. So I did say every video, regardless of what I do, I'm going to show you guys a 10x gem. And the next one I'm going to show you is XRP. So let's get into it. This coin, people just been saying it's stale, it doesn't move, la la la. It's a load of women talking, he say, she say. Remember, men lie, women lie, numbers don't lie. This coin is going to be moving the world's money. You know what I'm saying? So you can go here, and I don't know why it's not showing me much, but there we go. It's sitting there. There was times when this was like dirt, not expensive. You know what I'm saying? Go to the all. There we are. That was like already like we've already done 100x to where we are now. It's been at its top, which is $3. We're gonna go to $25 since XRP came out of their law case where they was getting sued by the SEC. So now this is gonna just fly. Say $25, $50. So get into it now. This is a 10x guaranteed. So that's for you guys. That's basically me wrapping up the video telling you, yeah, I did make that $2 million US, and my way I didn't go right was that I didn't have someone like myself trying to say, yo, invest in this. Do you know what I'm saying? So my hope for you guys, I believe you lot will share this video to friends, even family, and let them know what's going on here. You lot can do your research, grab this ebook, especially the people that mess with me already, go grab it, because it's gonna turn you into getting your dreams, making that actually your desires come to reality. So just tap in, play with that, and just keep studying, because really that is what you're gonna need to do. You know what I'm saying? This is already 100x, as I told you. It's a 10x gem. Could be many more. I'll be dropping them every single video, because that's what I like to do. When you guys come on here and give me some of your time, I'll give you value. That's what I provide for my peeps. So yeah, there's not much more I can tell you. Like, where I should have been doing, what I should have been doing was investing. That is just number one. I could have been still having fun on the side, but the investments would have made a much more difference. You know what I'm saying? Into like making more returns on like this kind of concept of, like, say, crypto investing in general. So there you go. Like, we was really big on this. And this video is just for finance. I'm not playing no games or inviting you lot to play like Roblox with me. No, I'm just showing you guys how to make money now. So this is it. This is how you lot gonna turn your little money or big money, whatever that you have, like my little bags, they're turning into hundreds of thousands, tens of millions, God willing, in the bull run. So I'm trying to get you guys on this journey with me together. We go together, win together, break bread, and that's what it is. I provide you the value through years of knowledge and learning and having to go out my way and take responsibility and those actions into my own hands and learn. These videos are going to be coming out every day. I'll do my best. I'm not even trying. That's not even a word for me. I'll do my best to get these videos out there. So yeah, you lot can go do more research about XRP and the SEC and how they won. I can just show you here. See if it comes up. Yep, SRP, Ripple, and the SEC case. Yeah, they won. Look, landmarks will win. There we go. Beautiful, you lot. So just remember, Ronaldo, a big figure in the football world, the sports world, he's promoting Binance. There's no way what I'm showing you guys is gonna go wrong. What I do for me, I do unto others. I've already got my bags into XRP. I'm not selling. So take that how you wanna, and yeah, get involved on this journey. Peace out, you